welcome to episode 4 of the weekly KTO news and update series, where each week I sit down and talk about any of the announcements, events, or anything to do with KTO. Awesome announcements happened this week, so let's just get straight in. Starting off, all gas refund event winners have received their money, and the ledger winner is going to be receiving their ledger soon, so congratulations to all those people. A couple of days ago, Queenie hosted an all things KTO. If you want to check that out and have a listen, there will be a link in the description. I highly recommend that you do, because it talks about a lot of things to do with KTO. But the most notable thing from that is the expected release window for the beta, which will be anywhere from September to October, in that sort of range. And not long after the beta will be the full release of the exchange towards the end of the year, hopefully, unless there's delays, which could push it till next year. Now, we had a massive announcements from jikh, and I want to go over that. There is a lot to read, so if you do want to check it out yourself in the Discord, go check that out. I highly recommend that you do, but I'm just sort of going to give a TLDR of it all, but it's still going to be pretty long. First part is about the new fee structure for the exchange. The existing 1% flat trading fee for all tokens will be replaced by two token classes, green and blue. Green tokens are newly listed high risk tokens, and as such have a higher base trading fee of 1%. All new tokens listed on the exchange will initially begin as green tokens. Blue tokens are tokens that have passed a set criteria, making them lower risk, and therefore will have a lower base trading fee of 0.1%. The criteria for a token to be blue will be confirmed closer to the exchange launch, but may include things such as market cap, volume, holders, age, and etc. There of course will be the top tokens that will be listed straight away on release, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC. As tokens are going through the process of becoming blue, the Nest Council will be engaged and give their thoughts of what tokens should become blue. So basically, the Nest Council will be the voice of the community. Now let's talk about the second part, which is the NFT adjustments. Only one of our NFTs can be staked per exchange account. There will be no stacking of NFTs. Secondly, the trading fee reductions and APR increase percentages have been adjusted to better fit with the above fee structure and be appropriately balanced so as not to compromise the sustainability of the exchange. The new trading fee reductions will apply to respective base fee, green or blue, and are as follows: 40% for the Nintai, OG is the 20%, Valley is 10%. This means that the total trading fee reduction, if you have one of each of the above NFTs staked, is 70%. The new staking APR increased values are as follows: Nintai equals 0.4%, OG is 0.2%, and Valley is 0.1%. This means that the total staking APR increase, if you have one of each of the NFTs above staked, is 0.7%. There will be ways to increase these values further. For example, trading in the above NFTs, so all three, you'll be granted a Super Mega Stalk NFT. The benefits received from the Super Mega Stalk NFT are as follows: 90% fee reduction and 1% APR increase. This trade-in option will only be available on our exchange, and there will be a limited amount of Super Mega Stalks available, although more will be released over time. This is to ensure that early adopters of the exchange are rewarded, and that again we remain operational sustainably. 3 NFTs that are traded in will be sent back to the project wallet, which allows the project to relist them at a sustainable time and give the community members more opportunity to obtain them and trade with discount fees. One more thing to note is that the Super Mega Stalk NFT cannot be staked with the original 3 NFTs or vice versa. Lastly, the Xmas Stalk NFT will have an entirely new purpose. Once staked at the end of each year, you'll be rewarded with a gift, which could include things such as KTO, USDT, and even a ledger, which is a pretty cool idea for the NFTs. I like that there's NFTs for a bunch of different things, like one that you can get gifts at the end of each year, and one that help with trading fees and also APR. Just before we end today's weekly update, let's go over the weekly burns in the past week. KTO has burned 65 billion tokens, which is about 184 USD at current price. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to like, and I'll see you guys